Hey guys! In this video, we're going to look at the top 5 baby food makers available on the market today. We made this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best baby food makers. The 5th product on our list is the Maxkare 8-in-1. Homemade baby food is not only rich in vitamins and nutrients, but it also tastes better than anything you can buy in a store. With the Maxkare 8-in-1, you'll have a multifunctional baby food machine that can prepare delicious and nutritious organic baby food in just a couple of minutes. This product is equipped with all the functions you need in one simple device: a steamer, chopper, mixer, steam mixing, reheating, and automatic cleaning, all of which is reliable and efficient, producing everything from very finely blended fruit and vegetables to combining ingredients of meat, fish, and pulses into palatable baby meals, and finally offering chunkier textures as your child grows. The specially designed one-button steam mixing mode can quickly cook the food and then automatically mix it to perfection within the set time limit. An intuitive control panel interface shows you all the information you need to prepare healthy and safe food for your baby. Simply press one button to steam the food and press another button to chop it. With this unit, you'll be able to keep in most of the nutrients and adjust the thickness after mixing to obtain the desired consistency. In this way, babies can enjoy smoother and healthier food to help them grow. Moreover, the Maxkare is made from BPA, lead, and phthalate-free materials. Also, this food processor has overheat protection and an anti-dry function, so it is safe for your baby and your family. Furthermore, the large caliber water tank, simple disassembly structure, and removable blade make it easy to clean and will not hurt your hands. Lastly, the cup has a 20-ounce capacity so that you can cook up to 3 meals in one go, perfect for serving 1 meal and storing 2 in your fridge or freezer for later. Its pros are: it has a simple one-button operation, it is constructed from safe materials, and it is easy to disassemble for cleaning. However, its blending feature is not perfect, leaving food a little coarse. The Maxkare 8-in-1 is a simple baby food maker perfect for young families that want easy, nutritious food for their children. Up next, in 4th place, is the Nuby Mighty. If you're looking for a blender, this is well worth thinking about. The Nuby Mighty blender includes all you need to get started with making, storing, and feeding fresh, nutritious baby food at home. From healthy purees to diced baby food, this blender is ideal for all stages of weaning, as it can both puree and produce chunkier textures to make mini meals for older babies. The Nuby also features a steamer and pressure start functions. Additionally, it comes with a whole host of accessories, including a spatula for scooping food out of the blender, storage cups, interchangeable blades for different consistencies, and a single portion blender unit, as well as a larger unit for batch cooking. There are additionally 2 different bowl sizes, a large bowl and a short cup suitable for whatever food quantity you plan on making, such as a batch load or a single portion. The different rotary blades are great as well because they allow you to have more control over the consistency of the food. With this unit, you can customize it to suit your baby's weaning stage. This Nuby blender has a straightforward mechanism for food processing. You put the bowl and the blade together and place them on the base. Then simply push down and it blends. This is an outstanding design idea because it means you don't have on-off switches to fiddle with. It is possible to lock it in place should you want an extended blend time for an extra fine puree. Finally, it's relatively small and compact, making it easily storable. Or, if you're going to leave it out, it doesn't take up too much work surface. Its pros are: it comes with multiple accessories, it's easy to operate, and it has a small footprint. However, the cons are: it is only suitable for hand washing, and it is prone to leakage. The Nuby Mighty is an adaptable product suited to those who have young children but not much kitchen space. Still haven't found a baby food maker that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The third product on our list is the QOOC 4-in-1. Appetite is of great importance to a baby's healthy growth, and making tasty food at home helps support that. This versatile QOOC baby food maker possesses 4 functions in one appliance. It is able to steam and blend grains, fresh fruits, vegetables, and meat, helping to preserve the nutrients and flavors for your little one, as well as defrost and reheat prepared food for whenever your baby needs an adjustment to their mealtime. This unit is simple to use. Once you are through properly cooking raw ingredients, pour the cooked food into the mixing jug. Then rotate the dial to mixing mode and keep it on for 5 seconds, then release it. By repeating this process several times, you can keep the maximum amount of nutrients and adjust the thickness of purees to reach the desired texture. In this way, babies can enjoy smoother and healthier food. Also, the easy one-handed operation is useful while you are occupied with housework and looking after your baby at the same time. Furthermore, this product is made with Triton plastics that are 100% baby safe and contain 0% BPA materials to ensure that this baby food maker does not harm your child in any way. Also, the impact-resistant design extends its lifetime even in busy households where it may be knocked off a countertop. With the QOOC, there is very little noise even when the steam and blend function is on, so your baby will not be disturbed. Both you and your child can enjoy a more peaceful food preparation experience. Finally, provided with this product is a recipe booklet with the e-recipes and how-to videos continuously updated to help you make tasty and healthy food for your growing family. Its pros are: it is effortless to use, it has a durable construction, and it comes with a useful recipe book. However, its blending function is not hugely powerful. The QOOC 4-in-1 makes preparing meals for your child easy. It's great for those with sound-sensitive children. The second product on our list is the Baby Brezza cooker. Creating your homemade baby food is convenient and simple with the Baby Brezza one-step blender and cooker set. This device automatically steams and blends food with the press of a button in one bowl without requiring any hot food transfer. In as little as 10 minutes, you can make delicious, tasty, homemade baby food. Also, this deluxe baby food maker is the complete system that allows you to store and serve baby food effortlessly. This product includes 3 reusable food pouches and filling funnels to make it easier to serve and store your freshly made baby food. The Baby Brezza cooker has a 3.5 cup capacity and is straightforward to use, effortless to clean, and features 3 settings: steam only, blend, or automatic steam and blend. It is also certified BPA-free by Intertech Testing Services, so you can be safe knowing that no meal will have toxic chemical tracers. The unique Viper blade on this unit blends food with precision to create the perfect consistency for your young one's food. Additionally, this food maker's LCD control panel is easy to use. Simply select the settings and cooking time you want, press a button, and let it go. This way, you can perform other tasks and keep more of your attention on your child. The disassembly and cleaning of this blender is quick and intuitive. You can open the steam tank for easy access and separate both the blade and the bowl before putting them in the dishwasher. With this award-winning product, you'll save heaps of time and effort. Its pros are: it has automated steam and blend functions, it is simple to clean, and it has a large capacity. However, its cons are: the top gets very hot while in steam mode, and its lid quickly develops difficult to remove stains. The Baby Brezza cooker is a time-saving bit of kit that's perfect for busy households and on-the-go parents. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top baby food maker is the BEABA Babycook. The BEABA Babycook Duo is a novel baby food processor designed with a convenient one-hand operation that enables you to batch cook or steam 2 dishes at once. This baby food maker has a patented steam heating system that locks in nutrients and vitamins so your child will get the most out of every meal. With this product, you can easily prepare various dishes including fruits, vegetables, pasta, grains, fish, and meat. The BEABA is a functional, dynamic, and powerful baby food maker that guarantees high-quality meals for your child. As it is lead, phthalate, and BPA free, your baby's safety is assured since its various functions and features, including blending, steaming, defrosting, and reheating foods, can be performed without any risk of harmful chemicals being released. This unit's large size means you can prepare around 9 cups of meals in just 15 minutes. Due to its unique design, this product is suitable for twins or multiple children of different ages, thanks to it having 2 large bowls that allow you to steam 2 sets of food simultaneously, saving you time and hassle. Despite its ability to produce large quantities of food at once, the BEABA actually has quite a small footprint, making it portable and easy to store. Also, it won't take up much space on your countertops. Lastly, this product includes a removable cord for more convenient use, and it comes in several colors, making it more stylistically versatile as you can choose the color that suits you. Its pros are: it is constructed of non-toxic materials, it has a high volume for preparing multiple meals at once, and it comes in 3 colors to suit your kitchen decor. However, the lid latch can come loose over time. The BEABA Babycook is a high-capacity, multifunctional product that's recommended for any parent wanting to save time and money when providing nutritious meals for their baby. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.